Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a non-greasy serum featuring niacinamide, better known as vitamin B3. If you have any empty skincare bottles, let's put them to good use right now. Aloe vera juice is the main base of this toner. By the way, blue gloves may actually turn color on contact with acidic ingredients like aloe vera juice or citric acid. I still have plenty of aloe vera juice left, but I added a little water for good measure, but this step is optional. Niacinamide is said to help strengthen the outer layer of the skin and improve its texture over time. It's also thought to stimulate collagen production. Like I said earlier, these latex gloves can and will turn yellow, especially when they come in contact with acidic ingredients. Enjoy your mix. You know everything that's in it because you made it with your own hands. You didn't use anything that you were allergic to because you controlled all of this and you decided either to use what I recommended or not to use what I recommended. So that's the power of DIY. Remember, it's always okay to tweak whatever recipe that you see at CURLYTEA.com to fit your needs. Don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media and become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.